The Heybike Ranger S 2.0 is a versatile electric bike designed for both urban commuting and light off-road adventures. It is available with two powerful motor options, a 750-watt motor delivering up to 1,400-watt peak power, and a stronger 1,000-watt motor capable of reaching 1,800-watt peak output. With up to 100 Nm of torque, the e-bike provides strong acceleration and impressive hill climbing performance, making it suitable for riders who need power and reliability on different terrains. The bike is equipped with a 48-volt, 14.4 Ah battery that offers a riding range of up to 55 miles on a single charge, allowing for longer trips without frequent recharging. Its step-through aluminum folding frame adds convenience and portability, making storage and transportation easier for commuters or travelers. The Ranger S 2.0 also features 4-inch fat tires that improve stability and traction on rough surfaces, while the front suspension system helps absorb shocks for a smoother and more comfortable ride. In addition, the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain enhances versatility by enabling riders to adjust gears efficiently for different road conditions and riding styles. Combining power, comfort, portability, and durability, the Heybike Ranger S 2.0 stands out as a practical e-bike choice for riders seeking a balance between city mobility and recreational outdoor performance.